Hello friends! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of python farming in China. Ever wondered how these incredible creatures are raised, harvested, and processed to create high-quality products? Well, you're in for a treat. From the initial stages of breeding to the final touches in the production process, let's explore how China's python farms operate and how this process fits into the broader food industry. In the heart of China, farmers have established expansive python farms, a key part of the food industry. These farms are meticulously designed to ensure the pythons thrive in optimal conditions. Pythons are kept in large enclosures, typically measuring between 8 and 10 square feet per snake. This space allows them to move around freely while minimizing the risk of injury. The enclosures are equipped with iron mesh systems, ensuring a dry and airy environment, which is crucial for maintaining the health of the pythons. The careful design and maintenance of these enclosures play a significant role in ensuring the overall success of the farming documentary. Feeding these majestic reptiles is an essential part of the farming documentary process. Their diet mainly consists of chicken, and they're fed once or twice a week. This feeding schedule ensures they remain healthy and their skins stay in prime condition for future processing. An interesting fact is that a well-fed python becomes less active and rounder, a clear sign they're getting the right nutrition. This controlled feeding also makes the subsequent skin removal process more efficient, as the skin quality is maintained at its peak. It's fascinating to see how such a simple diet can contribute to such high-quality food processing products. In China, the breeding season for pythons typically occurs in spring and summer. During this time, each python can lay up to hundreds of eggs. Farmers take great care in this process, often bathing the mother python to remove dirt and stimulate egg laying. This level of care and understanding of python behavior is crucial for a successful breeding season. Did you know that pythons can lay up to 100 eggs at a time? That's quite a lot of baby pythons to take care of. The success of the breeding season significantly impacts the overall production capacity of the processing factory later on. After about a year of rearing, it's time for the python processing. Each processing factory can handle anywhere from 60 to 250 pythons a day. The process is carried out with precision and professionalism to ensure the highest quality python skin products. First, workers carefully prepare the python, ensuring the skin is removed intact. Using a small, sharp knife, they delicately separate the skin from the base, creating a complete piece of python skin. This meticulous work requires skill and patience, as even a small mistake can reduce the value of the skin significantly. The next step involves treating the skin with clean water, which helps in the filtration process. This careful handling prevents any tears in the leather, as imperfections can significantly reduce its value. After the skin is removed, the remaining parts of the python are utilized in snake meat processing, ensuring nothing goes to waste. The meat is often turned into special dishes, making the most of the python's value. It's amazing how every part of the python is used, showcasing the efficiency and sustainability of the food processing industry. Once the skin is separated, it's time for the natural dyeing process. Using dyes made from herbal plants, the python skin is colored in a variety of shades, preserving its natural and luxurious look. This dyeing process not only enhances the skin's appearance, but also ensures it remains durable. The dyed skins are then dried in the sun or in a controlled environment, helping them retain their softness and shine. Did you know that herbal dyes not only give unique colors but also add to the longevity of the leather? This natural approach to dyeing also aligns with the broader trend towards more sustainable and eco-friendly production processes in the food industry. Python skin products like shoes, bags, and belts are highly sought after in the fashion industry. The demand for these luxury items has been on the rise since the 1980s, and they continue to be a favorite among fashion enthusiasts today. The average price for a python leather product is around $6,000, but some items can fetch up to $250,000. These products are known for their durability, able to withstand different weather conditions while maintaining their luxurious beauty. Imagine owning a handbag that can last a lifetime while looking stylish. This high demand also drives the development of more advanced food processing machines to handle the increased production volume. The python leather industry in China generates significant profits, estimated to be around $25 billion. This industry not only supports the local economy but also provides a stable income for many farmers. However, it's essential to consider the ethical aspects of python farming. While the industry brings economic benefits, it's crucial to balance leather production with animal welfare. Increasing awareness about the production process and the environmental impact of python farming is vital. By understanding how these products are made, consumers can make informed choices. So what do you think about the python leather industry? Do you believe it's worth the economic benefits, or do you have concerns about animal welfare? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you ever owned a python leather product? Comment number 1 if you have, and let us know what you think about its durability and style. If you haven't, comment number 2 and tell us if you'd consider purchasing one. Your feedback is essential in promoting a balanced discussion about this industry. Now that we've explored the widespread python industry in China, let's switch gears and travel to the other side of the world. Today, I'm going to take you through the process of beef production in New Zealand and explain why it's a staple in every New Zealander's meal. Now we're diving into something that's not only fascinating but also crucial to our everyday lives: the process of raising, harvesting, and processing beef in New Zealand. From the farm to the table, it's a journey that involves a lot of steps and a lot of steps and a lot of hands. So buckle up as we take you through this incredible journey. First things first, let's talk about raising beef cattle. In New Zealand, we've got around 10 million cattle spread across various regions. These cattle are usually raised on large farms where they roam freely, grazing on natural pastures. Did you know that New Zealand has some of the most efficient beef production systems in the world? Yep, it's true. Raising cattle here starts with breeding. Farmers select the best bulls and cows to ensure the healthiest calves. The calves stay with their mothers for the first 6 to 10 months, drinking milk and learning to graze. Once they're old enough, they're weaned and moved to feedlots. Now, let's talk feedlots. This is where the cattle bulk up before heading to the processing factory. They spend about 4 to 6 months here, munching on a diet rich in corn, soy, and other grains. This diet helps them gain weight quickly and produces that delicious marbled beef we all love. While on the feedlot, cattle are monitored closely to ensure they're healthy and growing well. They've got plenty of space to move around, fresh water, and shelter from the elements. Did you know that New Zealand feedlots can hold over 100,000 cattle at a time? That's a whole lot of beef. Once the cattle have reached their optimal weight, usually around 1,300 to 1,500 pounds, they're transported to the processing factory. This part is super important because it needs to be done with the utmost care to ensure the cattle remain calm and stress-free. All right, now let's get to the heart of today's video, the processing factory. This part of the process takes about 30% of the total time and is crucial for ensuring the beef we eat is safe and delicious. When the cattle arrive at the processing factory, they're first given a thorough inspection by USDA officials. This ensures that only healthy cattle move forward in the process. From here, the cattle are moved to a stunning area where they're rendered unconscious quickly and humanely. Once unconscious, the real work begins. The cattle are carefully moved to a conveyor system where they are prepped for processing. This involves removing the hide and internal organs. Each part of the cattle is used, nothing goes to waste. The hides, for example, are often used to make leather products. After the initial prep, the carcasses are chilled in large coolers to bring down the temperature. This helps in maintaining the quality and safety of the meat. The beef is kept in these coolers for about 14 days, a process known as aging. This helps to enhance the flavor and tenderness of the beef. After maturing, the beef is sent to the cutting room. Here, expert butchers cut meat into numerous sections using both hand equipment and complex food industry gear. This is where exquisite steaks, chops, and roasts are prepared. The United States is well known for its strict beef cutting standards, which ensure that each cut is accurate and of good quality. Once the beef is expertly cut, it's time for packaging. The beef cuts are placed in vacuum-sealed bags, which are key to maintaining freshness. High-tech food processing machines are utilized in this step to ensure the packaging is airtight. These machines play a crucial role in keeping the beef fresh during transport and storage. This mix of human expertise and technological technology guarantees that beef not only looks good, but also reaches consumers in peak condition. The precise cutting and packing procedure demonstrates America's devotion to quality in the food business. Every step of the process, from the cutting room to your kitchen, is intended to provide the greatest beef possible. Have you ever wondered about the journey of your steak from the farm to your plate? Drop a comment below and let's chat about it. Quality control doesn't stop at cutting and packaging. Each package is inspected to ensure it meets NZDA standards. The beef is then labeled and prepared for shipping. Did you know that New Zealand exports beef to over 100 countries? That's right. Our beef is known worldwide for its quality. Compared to other regions, New Zealand has some of the most advanced food industry machines and food processing techniques. For instance, while Japan focuses heavily on Wagyu beef and manual processing, New Zealand uses a mix of human labor and high-tech machines to ensure efficiency and quality. And there you have it, folks. From raising cattle on vast ranches to the meticulous processes inside the beef processing factory, it's clear that a lot of work goes into producing the beef we enjoy. The next time you're grilling a juicy steak or enjoying a beef burger, you'll have a deeper appreciation for the journey it took to get to your plate. Before we wrap up, here are a few fun facts about cows in New Zealand. The average Kiwi eats about 55 pounds of beef each year, reflecting the country's love for beef. Canterbury, Waikato, and Taranaki are the top beef-producing regions, thanks to their vast farms and ideal farming conditions. The New Zealand beef industry is a major economic powerhouse, contributing billions of dollars to the economy annually. This industry not only supports farmers and ranchers, but also creates numerous jobs in processing, transportation, and retail. Additionally, New Zealand is known for its advanced food industry machines and high standards in beef production, ensuring that consumers get the best quality beef. These facts highlight the significance of the beef industry in Kiwi culture and its vital role in the economy. Have you ever visited a cattle ranch or processing plant? Share your experiences in the comments. What did you find most interesting about the beef production process? Do you have any questions about how your favorite beef cuts are made? Drop a comment below and let's chat. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Until next time, keep enjoying those delicious beef dishes.
This is the video we created, hoping to receive support and appreciation from you all.